Hey there, this is Rachel coming to you live from SuccessConnect in Las Vegas, and we just came from a fantastic session talking about diversity and inclusion as intelligent enterprises, and I have Sarah and Shuchi joining me today on camera on the show floor right at the SAP Analytics Cloud booth. So we pass off to Sarah first to talk about her neurodiversity initiatives.
Great, thanks so much, Rachel. Yeah, so it was really wonderful during the panel to be able to share some little nuggets with the audience about what we're doing in terms of neurodiversity and including individuals, especially who are on the autism spectrum within our workforce. So two key drivers really that we're seeing an impact with are employee engagement and innovation. So for instance, one of our individuals who joined through the program has noticed that there was an opportunity to improve the HR data auditing process, and he took it upon himself to automate it, and that totally changed the game for his work, for his team's work, and also the internal customers that they serve. And I think this is a really great example of how innovation can come from anywhere. So with that, I'd also like to pass it over to my colleague Shuchi, who is on the panel, and she's our Global Gender Intelligence Lead. Shuchi?
Thanks, Sarah. So one of the things I talked about on the panel was our strategy around gender. And as you know, we have a really ambitious target to move from 25% women in leadership to 30% women in leadership. And one of the best practices I recommended is make data your friend. We used our predictive analytics and planning to even set the targets. So we looked across various scenarios, we did simulations to really see, okay, if we increase women in leadership by this percentage overall, what will the result be in 5 years? And that really helped us set a target that would be feasible for the business to achieve. On top of that, we use the data to manage. So we've got to cut the data in many different ways. We need to do it by geography, by role. We need to see where our failure points are, where we're doing things really well in order to continue to provide momentum to our strategy. When we give that data to leaders, we provide accountability and we show them that, even if they see a few women in leadership positions, the problem is not solved. When you look at the data, you see that we still have a ways to go. But it is that data that helps us pivot, make decisions differently, and continue to drive forward in the direction we need to go as an organization. And frankly, without it, we would be lost. So having all that data on one platform, being able to use it to look forward and manage and create accountability is invaluable to us. In terms of achieving our goals in 5 years. So it was a really great panel. Thanks for having us.
That's fantastic. I love the point you mentioned about predictive analytics, and that's one thing that this tool here right beside me leverages. So machine learning, AI, Internet of Things, these are all buzzwords we talk about as an intelligent enterprise, but these are real business outcomes that we're seeing and how diversity and inclusion really is a business imperative for all organizations. And with a tool like SAC, you have BI, planning, and predictive all in one place to get one holistic view of your organization. So thanks so much for joining me on camera today. Stay tuned for more action coming out of SuccessConnect in Las Vegas, and we'll see you soon.